Hey kids, do you like birthday cakes? I know most of you all like birthday cakes. So, let us make a birthday cake. First, trace the candles. Now, color cake with crayons beautifully. Happy birthday!